What is up, guys? Today we are back again with another video, and I think this is one video you guys will appreciate. As you can see by the title, we're gonna be exploring some of the greatest place on the internet if you live in South Africa. Okay, so what am I talking about? We are going to be making a review of a platform which is popular. Okay, but since some of you actually feel insecure about whether to make purchases through this platform, I am going to give out my honest review on it and try to make a legit purchase, okay, on that platform and see how the entire process takes place. Okay, so Takealot is actually a great platform, to be honest. You'll see that in a second, and a lot of people have made purchases through there, and it actually has covered it actually has made mainstream media advertisements like through televisions and stuff. So without wasting any further time, let's just hop in and into our browser and go to the site itself. Okay, so just select over there, and we're going to be typing our browser there. Just click right click and yes, just wait for it. And okay, as you can see, this orange icon over there, that's an icon called SimilarWeb. Okay, this icon can let me just select it. This icon will tell you information about any website. Okay, as you can see, Takealot actually ranks 17 in our country, guys. It ranks 17. I'll say it in my own name. It ranks 17, bros. That is pretty good for me. Like it should also be pretty good for you to actually see this is very worth it. Like it's a very trustworthy company. Look at it. It gets about monthly visits of about 11 million. Okay, the last time which was actually in August, it was getting about 10 million. So it has grown by 1 million people. Okay, so this is the greatest website to make any purchases if you want to make purchases online. Yeah, you can buy clothes and stuff, but then yeah, there are other websites I'm going to show you guys to make if you're looking to get cool clothes and stuff like that. You know, I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to show you. Probably some of them you already know, but then yeah, for those who don't, I'm going to show you. So there are lots of cool things you could do on Takealot. Believe me, you guys, there is like a ton of things you could do over on this website. Believe me. Anyway, so if you go right over there on daily deals, you're gonna see something amazing. I don't know about you guys, but you're gonna see something really amazing. What am I talking about? This is what I'm talking about. Okay, there are hundreds, if not thousands, of special deals. Look at that. If you buy the Philips Viva collection air fryer, I don't know what you use that for, but you actually buy it for about 1.5. Okay, that's like 1,500. That's basically half the price. Like, look at that, that's 50%. And guys, this is 100% legit. If you go to like an in-store retail store, whatever you want to call it, if you go to a store in town or a retail store in town, you would basically find that they are selling this same product at 3,000, and you are actually getting it for 1,500 with free delivery. 1,500 with free delivery. That's a bargain for somebody who's gonna buy this thing. If you buy this, you are basically bargaining a lot. Look at this. You're just gonna look at how much the Dell Inspiron core costs. It's about 6,000 rand. You're getting it for. It's actually no. It's actually worth. The stock price is actually 8,000. You're actually buying it for 6,000. You saved 2 grand. It's like keeping 2 grand in your pocket. You're stashing it in your pocket. Okay. That's nice for me. I don't know about you, but that's gold for me. That's me. Like that represents me. I like saving stuff. Okay, look at this. You can buy the table. I don't. Okay, people who are interested in making functions and stuff, they can get that. Okay, but I'm interested in electronics and stuff like that, and some of the appliances used as you can see, you can get this microwave for 900 instead of the in-store one. The in-store retail price of about 1,300, which is absolutely ridiculous. As you can see, over 16% off. All of these stuff you can only find them on Takealot. Only on Takealot, nowhere else. Only on Takealot, which is absolutely like crazy for all the guys who are interested in bodybuilding and stuff like that, and keeping their whatever, like who are always monitoring their health and fitness and whatever stuff. They can actually get all these NutriCheck test, or what is it? I'm assuming this is for bodybuilding and stuff like that. Somebody who's interested in working with their body muscles and stuff like that, and all of those cardio and gym stuff. And all those who are animal enthusiasts, okay, they can actually come here and get their daily deals for their pets and stuff. So yeah, you can basically get anything on Takealot at a reasonably nice price. Okay, so I'm gonna be making a purchase now. I actually wanted to buy something today, so that's what we were here for. So to show you guys the whole entire process of I haven't finished typing what I want. As you can see, it was trying to load because they have like a ton of products. If it's not millions, I don't know. Okay, because I saw a daily deal today. Where is it? Search again, because it's supposed to actually appear at the top. Because that's what I was hoping to get today. Okay, a GoPro camera, and yeah, because I'm actually trying to I actually want to make videos for you guys to show you other bunch of stuff. Okay, yeah, as you can see, this GoPro camera is actually 44% off. This is like the retail price for this camera is actually 900, and I'm getting it for 500. Okay, 500. Okay, so we're gonna be going ahead and buying that. And as you can see, if you buy anything above 500 rands, which is a nice thing, you get free delivery. That is nice. Free delivery for anything. As you can see, eligible for free delivery and eligible for cash on delivery. That's what I'm gonna use as my payment method. Cash on delivery. You can actually use credit cards and stuff like that. Yeah, you can do whatever you want. Okay, so I just need the GoPro camera. Then you're gonna have to you ask for two. We only have one available. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, they only have one available. Okay, I think. Oh, okay, I already selected it, guys. Okay, I'm sorry. Let's just go and proceed to checkout so that I can show you guys a bunch of stuff. So right now I'm a university student, so it has to be shipped to where I live. I don't care about you guys seeing my details. I really don't. So they have to deliver it. Okay, I'm not gonna collect this. As you can see, you have to add address. If you are new, you have to add your address. I'm gonna show you guys how to do that, because I think most of the challenges come to addresses in South Africa, because there are some places I don't think they're gonna ship to. You need your cell phone. Yeah, then your address. I think Takealot has made something. I don't know. It has made an integration of using Google Maps to find your exact specific location, so you don't have to worry that much when it comes to address and say, oh, Junior, I don't know where I'm gonna find, how I'm gonna do. I'm gonna like input my address and stuff like that. Well, Takealot has got you covered. Okay, so I'm gonna cancel that, and I'm gonna continue with the payment. Okay, so I'm gonna once I've done with my payment, I'm gonna show you guys how long it took them to as you can see, free delivery standard. It will come on the 12th of September, expected to become on the what's the date today? 6th. So that's how much, that's 6 days. That's how long I'm going to wait. 6 days. That's okay for me. I mean, I don't mind waiting 6 days instead of waiting like 2 weeks, 14 days from not today, maybe next time. How about cash on delivery? I'll show you guys some other. Wait, you can buy using what? Nasfast. People who actually okay, I don't know about this. I don't think that's right. Anyway, confirm order. Yeah, you can read through all those bunch of stuff and see what they're gonna be doing. So thanks, we've received your order. We send an email confirmation. Then you can actually track your order and stuff like that. So yeah, that's all Takealot is, guys. Simple as that. You saw it in your eyes. It was easy as that. Now tracking your order, you can then come to just track your order over here. You can see they're gonna be updating this entire thing. You're gonna track. They're gonna be updating your order information in terms of where it is, when is it shipping and stuff like that. So it is expected to ship today. Then delivery is supposed to be made. Actually, most of the time the deliveries are made exactly on this day. Exactly on this day. I want to show you guys my order history to show you what I'm talking about. Okay, invoices. I think it has to be there under invoices. Okay, so it'll show you. This is what I'm talking about. I've bought about. I think this was a. I don't remember what the products were. But as you can see, I paid a lot of money on this thing. They usually, on average, I don't know how long they took. I don't know. How long did they take? I don't know. I really don't know how long they took. But then they actually took less than 5 days. Less than 5 days. I think 4 days. Then next thing you know, the order is 100% on your. Yeah, I used. Yeah. This was. Yeah. This is. Yeah. I bought this design. Mechanical engineering design textbook because I'm an engineering student, and that was it. Simple as that. I hope you guys enjoy that, and I hope you guys now know how to make sales. If you have any question, you can leave your question in the comments below, and I'm gonna try to answer it for every one of you who asked questions. Okay. So I hope you understood that, and yeah.